How to stop bees drowning in your feeder. So this is quite a common type of feeder. I think it's an English feeder or a rapid feeder. Never really know the names. So what the idea is the sugar syrup goes in top, and then the bees come up from the bottom, and then they come up this little ramp here, down the ramp, and then access the syrup in the bottom. The trouble is, what happens is you end up with loads of dead bees in the bottom. They all sort of get drowned, all gets very sticky. Pretty rubbish design. The easy way to fix that is with this. So it's been harvest time around here. We've harvested the straw, and I've gone and grabbed a nice handful of straw. A whole bucket of straw. This is the stuff that was left on the ground after they baled it, so it's all going to go to waste. And all we do, we pack it in the feeder so it looks like that. So now the bees come up the ramp and they actually go into the sugar syrup. But because there's all of this lovely straw, they don't drown. They've got a whole area that they can rummage around in, and they lick up every last little drop of nectar, and you get absolutely no drowned bees whatsoever. It's fantastic. It really is. We use this on all of our feeders, even the Abelo ones, basically every feeder that we can. We remove whatever bit of plastic the manufacturers put with them, and that's it. Straw inside. Bees love it. They love nothing more than rummaging around. I'm going to go and pop this one on, and I'll give them a nice feed. Okay, so this is how we put it on. As you can see, bees can come right up the ramp and into the syrup. They can't drown in it because they've got all those nice little life rafts from the straw. And then we just pour the syrup right into the straw. Now, straw's a really good material to use. You don't want to use hay, don't get the too muddled up. Straw is pretty much inert. Hay is grass, and grass still has some life left in it, even after it's been cut. Right, there we go. That's how you stop bees drowning in a feeder. Catch you later.